In this video, I'll detail how to use your photo as Apple Watch face on your Apple Watch. You see this? So I have my Apple Watch face like this. Then you can select any photo as your preferred Apple Watch face in this video. So if I don't know this video, you found this relevant and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In some Apple Watches, you cannot just change the Apple Watch face from the Apple Watch itself. Like when you just press and hold the screen like this, then you scroll down to the left and then you click on new. There is no feature to choose customize Apple Watch face on the application. So this doesn't mean you can actually do this. So to do this, all you just need to do is just drop your Apple Watch and then go ahead and grab your iPhone. So on your iPhone, locate the watch app, this, and then click on that. Make sure your Apple Watch and your iPhone are connected together. Now while on the Apple Watch face, then you want to locate where you see new watch faces. Then you can see I have another watch face with a profile photo. Then you just need to scroll down until you see where you can easily use your profile photo as your watch face. So in this case, if you are doing this for the first time, you should see this when you scroll down. So just keep scrolling. Then here you see photo. Then under photo, you can just click on the watch face like this. Then to change the watch face background or to change the watch face photo, just click on choose photo. Then click on choose photo. This is going to pop your photo. Then go ahead and select the photo you want to set as your watch face. Better still, if you don't have the photo under feature, click on all. Then select the photo you want to use here. So let's say this is the photo I want to set as my Apple Watch face. You can just click on that. Then click on the heart button at the top right. Then wait for this to load. Then you see that. Now if you want to shuffle all your photos on your Apple Watch, you can just click on shuffle. Then you see that. You can use nature collection or all your collection. And then click on the done button. So this is going to shuffle all your photos on your Apple Watch. But in this case, let's use a static photo by clicking on choose photo and then select the existing photo. Then click on the done. Here, if you scroll down, you should see how you can easily customize this watch face. This is S large, large, this one is medium, and then this is small. So choose whichever one that pleases you here. So in this case, I prefer to use dynamics. So dynamics switch between all other sizes here. Then once you're done, come down to font. You can just change the clock font on your Apple Watch like this. Then there's modern, classic, and rounded. After that, scroll down to numeral and then adjust the numeral to something that pleases you. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead now and choose the Arabic Western numeral. Then scroll down and select your watch face style, black and white, monotone, and then this is duotone. Then select anyone that pleases you like this. So if you want to use the natural or black and white, just select it. Then scroll down. You should see photo color. You can also change the time color here. See that? So adjust it to change your time color to suit your need. So once you're satisfied, scroll down again. Then you should see complication top. So what about bottom? What do you want to show in the bottom? Is it battery? So that's the battery level. At the top, what do you want to show at the top? Is it compass, elevation, or find my device? Then you should see find my device on top of your Apple Watch. Let's say I want to add stopwatch. It says stopwatch is going to be added, and you can also turn this off like this by clicking on off under complication. Then once all these are set, I have my battery percentage there. Then click on add. Then I should see this added to my watch. Then click on my watch. Then this is it. Now if you go to your Apple Watch like this, you should see the new Apple Watch face installed. So this is how you can use your picture or photo as your Apple Watch face. If you found this lesson informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.